to another little group of ducks. I'm gonna see if they get bowdy with me. I'm on my fucking walk this morning. Duckies! 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 This is a beautiful garden right here. Damn, the city did their thing over here, man. I could bring a bitch over here and have lunch in the park. This is beautiful. Wow. Wow. This is nice. Wow. This is nice. You can have a nice little picnic right here with a nice little, wow, you gotta bring somebody special over here. This is nice. Nice little walk. It even has a little bridge. It looks like I'm walking through a fucking fairy tale right now. It's like I'm walking through one of them little books in the little bridge. Oh shit, this is pretty steep. Oh shit. Fucking up my calves, goddammit. Woo. There's another ducky. Hey, ducky. Hey. That motherfucking duck looks bowdy. Hey, duck. Ooh, that motherfucker. I was scared to run up on his ass. He looked like he was gonna bark. Knock if you bark. Bark, nigga. Look at all these big ass ducks. I'm coming to get your ass back around Thanksgiving, Christmas. I will be to get your ass, make some duck dressing. Come here, ducky. I got some bread for you. Yeah. So, my next date with my next girl, whoever that'll be, I found our first date. Look at the little, this is nice though. Why they got all these Chinese bags sitting up like this? All in the corners. This shit's scaring me. Let me investigate. I gotta investigate. What the hell? Oh, Chinese bags of sand. I don't know what the fuck. I'm gonna put that back down. Take that shit back on my head. Voodoo China. No, I was fucking with that lady in the cleaner, that Chinese lady. That bitch might put a spell on me. Send me up. Now, we're leaving out of the Love Garden. This is a name for this. This is my name for it, the Love Garden. This is the Love Garden right here. This is a little peaceful. I love that piece of land. I love it. We're leaving out.